What's up, y'all? What it do? Welcome back to Tina Bopper All the Way Live. I am your girl, Tina Bopper. What's up? Welcome to the podcast. Hey, y'all. What it is, though? Oh, what's up? Can Tina Bopper get some love? No. And that's just that on that. Hey, y'all. What y'all doing? How y'all doing? How y'all feeling? How your mama and them doing? I'm finna freestyle this episode. First one, my social media. First of all, I want to say, y'all had schools everything, because I was trying to get my assistant to make it so that my Facebook can... First of all, I was trying to get all the spam accounts off. Like, it be fake accounts on Facebook, and I don't think y'all know that. That's how you will get hacked. It be fake accounts. Be lurking on your page long enough to hack into your email and all your things. Yeah, it be them fake accounts that be hacking into, like the ones that be posting like girls. I don't know, they be posting like weight loss stuff, and then they just be, I don't know what you call that. It be spam accounts like them Africans and stuff. All that, that's how they be hacking into y'all accounts. So I had my assistant go through my account, like I gave them my username, password, sign in. And then just delete everybody that looked like a fake page. If they page new, if they got a girl name but a boy picture, delete all that shit. Delete everybody. He deleted my mom. Girl. So, mama, if you send this, please, you got to send a friend request back. You're not my friend no more. You just clicking and finding my page, but send a friend request back so I can accept it. Yeah. Now, why my mama page looked fake, I don't know. But you know how old people be. Oh, speaking about, this not my mama. Let me tell y'all what I found. I found AI very weird. I found AI very weird. Not AI like in the sense of the whole artificial intelligence thing, because I kind of like a little bit of the AI. I just need a little more. Like, I feel like AI need to come on with the editing. I feel like I should have an AI that can edit. Right about now. Like, why I ain't got no AI that I can say, take out every time I say anything, a cuss word, take all the cuss words out, mute all the cuss words. We need an AI editor, for one. Something we need, like, where it can edit the videos. You just tell it what to do, and then it do it. Then you go through your video, and then see what else you want to take out there and tell it to do it. That right there. Y'all, these old people and these damn AI cartoon characters is beyond me. They all on dating sites with AI pictures. What do y'all think gonna happen when y'all see the men in real life? Or do y'all not even plan on seeing the men in real life? Do you just want somebody to look at you and find you attractive? But that's still not you. I don't know. I seen a nigga do a whole AI video. Baby, if you just not, hey, look. Stay on video. Get on the radio. I don't know what to tell you. Like, that was things that you wanted to do that if you did not, you personally don't have the face for it. You feel like you don't have the face for it. Nobody else, because I don't even know what you look like, because you use AI. All right, cool. Radio. That's what radio is for. Radio is for people not to be seen. You only know their voice. They don't show their face. You won't see their face. Because Catfish was one thing. Not only... What was Catfish? Catfish was y'all using somebody else. So the same people that would a catfish, or probably was catfish back then, we just didn't know because y'all was hiding that y'all was catfish folks because y'all had a whole nother fake profile. But anyway, y'all a catfish, say with Jay the way the pictures. So what do y'all be doing though? Like, what do that? Like, I'm trying to see the profit of it though, because you took your picture, turned into it like a little cartoon character, you. But you do that you keep posting it as a picture of you. I seen a nigga ask a bitch, is this AI? She said no. He said, take the filter off. She said, I ain't got no filter on here. Bitch, we all know what you look. What the fuck? Yeah, let me say this. Why is you doing it in the city that you from? Bitch, I just saw you at Burger King. You don't look like that. I don't know. AI is crazy as hell. So all the old women now make AI videos of themselves. Is it because y'all want a younger man? I'm trying to see what's the point. That's all I want to know. I want to know what's the purpose. Like, no, because then he still got to see you in real life. Like, it's got to be like a point, a purpose of why y'all doing that. And that's what I want to know. I don't want to know why y'all like that so much. Because y'all gonna make them keep making AI images like that. We want them to make stuff that we actually need, like editors, and for AI to work for us that we ain't got to work for. But y'all keep making, like y'all on a dating website talking about what you look like, what you ain't. Man, y'all don't blow me, cause that be blowing me, cause that's weird. And y'all be acting like them AI is really y'all. But yeah, so like, what's the point in AI? And who y'all be trying to fool?
Y'all, I'm so sorry, but I must have been hungry. I'm finna be crunching in these damn chips in this damn video, and I could not cut out all the clips of me chewing because I'm talking and chewing at the same damn time. So damn rude. Y'all, this ain't gonna happen no more. Sorry. You can click out if you don't like chewing sounds and mouth open. Goodbye.
And if you're not trying to fool nobody, what's the point? And people be like, it ain't no point. Let me say this. I'm not one of them people. You can't gaslight me. I'm in reality. You can't tell me some fugazi ass shit and think I'm going to believe it because I'm in reality. So you can't tell me, oh no, it ain't no difference for me than my real picture or the AI picture. It is a difference. Because why you ain't use the real picture then? Hmm? Oh, okay. Because if it wasn't no different, why would you go put in work to edit yourself? To put it in an app. You see the difference and so do we. Do you think strangers not gonna see it? Cause what? Let us know. Cause we trying to see something right quick. And no, for real, we really be wanting to know. I know I do. And I ain't talking about like the AI, like when you making a post or something. What you call that? A post, a banner, a thing? What you call them things? I need to make one for the podcast though. What's that called? What's that thing called? So I ain't talking about like when you making a flyer. You know, do a little AI little one too. Yeah, you know. I see y'all with your little AI flyers. That's fine. Well, it's fine with me, but yeah, I know you just input all the information on for the AI flyers. I find it cool because, I mean, it's just free. Why pay somebody $100 when you can get it for free? And that's just that on that. Especially, like, when you make it all the time. Like, I got a podcast, so I need to make mine all the time. That's why I ain't even started making, what you call them? Flyers. Damn. Because you got to make them all the time for each little thing. And then I be like, I got a friend that make flyers. But you know how, like, you got a friend that do... Let's talk about you got a friend that do something, but they don't never do the something for you. Okay, so talk about like having friends that do stuff. And then, do y'all not ask y'all friends? Because I don't ask my friends to do stuff for me. They don't offer either. See what I'm saying? Like, I felt like if my friends do something, that's why, like, and then they get irky. But y'all, and then y'all let me know. Y'all let me know, is it irky that I won't ask, or is it irky that they won't offer? Now, I'm going to give you my reason for not asking. The reason why I don't ask because I ain't got no damn money. I don't got a coin. Okay? I don't got no money for that. You see what I'm saying? For that. So, that's why I don't ask. Point blank. Cut and dry. Now, on their side, do y'all find that weird that they do something? If I say I need this edited out of my video, and they're editor, and then they don't offer ever. Like, y'all don't find that a little bit weird? Like, is that your friend though? That's kind of a homie, ain't it? That's like your homie. But like, is that weird? Is that not weird? I don't know, because if my friends, I'll be trying to think about it if it was me. If my friend, like, let's say, had a podcast or had something, no matter what it is, my friend could, yeah, no, I'm different, though. Yeah, I'm different, because my friend could just be saying it's their birthday, they want to take some pictures. I'd be like, oh, I'll meet you out there and take your pictures for you. Whatever I could do, like, I'll record your video. Like, whatever I could do or that I know how to do for my friend, I will do it. I will offer it. They don't even have to ask. They don't even have to, like, if I know it's something coming up or something that I could do, it'll be like, are you taking pictures for your birthday? I can take your pictures, da-da-da. Like, that's, so not saying that all the times I want my friend to be like me in that sense. It would be like I don't have to have it in that sense, but like, yeah, I notice like anytime, but they also be thinking you got everything. You see what I'm saying? Like I feel like they feel like you don't need nothing. Probably because you don't ask, but asking be too much like begging for me. So I just, baby, look. Now with somebody that I'm comfortable with, somebody that I know is like blood, say it's my family, I ask my girl, look here, I ask my family to go get me a thing to put on my toe, and then put it on my toe, then rub together, then take it off my toe. Family, like somebody that's, if them, I don't have a problem with asking, but it be like regular friends. I feel like they don't offer. It could be a plethora of reasons why they don't offer, but I also feel like they don't offer because they don't, you ain't paying. It's just as simple as that. But it's not like I'm asking for a service. It's not like you cook and I want some of your food. You see what I'm saying? You selling plates. If I had a friend that sold plates and I was hungry, I'm going to go to them and buy the plate. I'm not asking for nothing where it's, or you sell hair. Like it's something like that. Like I'm not asking for something monetary that has a monetary value. I'm usually either asking for your time or your energy or your, you know what I'm saying, like that right there. So yeah, but I do find that strange. Not really strange, I just find it like like I got a friend that do that, but those also be the people that's already struggling with stuff, and they be like, child, I'm not trying to add to nobody's struggle. You know what I'm saying? Like they already got problems. They always got problems. Baby, what you gonna pile on? Now you got to be a part of their problem because you asking. 2 days, 3 days later, can you send me the send me my banner for this week or da da da. Yeah, that's too much. 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 It's too much. Yeah.